Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you a coffee lover looking to elevate your home brewing game? Let's talk about the handheld electric milk frother. This mini foamer is a game changer for anyone who enjoy later cappuccino or even matcha. First off, the design is super silk and portable. It fits perfectly in your hand, making it easy to use. Whether you are frothing milk for a creamy latte or whipping up a quick shake, this product delivers consistent result every time. Now let's dive into a versatility. Not only it's perfect for coffee drinks, but it also work wonders with fraps and even as a egg batter for quick recipe. Imagine whipping up fluffy scrambled egg or mixing your favorite pancake batter effortlessly. The power of this handheld frother is impressive. With just the push of button, you can achieve that luxurious froth that makes your beverage feel like they are from a cafe. Plus it's battery operated, so you can take it anyway. Perfect for travel and outdoor adventure. Cleaning a breeze too. Just rinse the whisk under warm water and it's ready to your next creation. No complicated part or maze to deal with. So guys, if you are looking to enhance your coffee experience at home or on the go, this handheld electric milk frother is definitely worth considering. It efficient, easy to use and incredible versatile. Your morning will never be the same once you start frothing like a pro. So what you are waiting for? Grab your today and start creating coffee quality drink right at home. Till then, bye, take care guys. And if you want to purchase this product, then I'll share link is in description box, you can check it out.